Hello friends, today we will discuss about integumentary system and we will see what organs are involved in that and what is the function of that system. So let's see one by one. First we'll understand what is the meaning of integumentary system. It consists of skin, hairs and hair and nails. So first we will see the function of skin. Skin is the largest organ in the human body. It consists of two layers basically. The outermost layer is epidermis and the inner layer is dermis. It also consists of hypodermis, which is the innermost layer of the skin. The function of skin involves the stimulation of temperature. It manages the body's temperature according to the external environment. Like if the weather is too hot, the skin produces sweats which cools the surface of the body, and also the vessels become wide so that the excess heat can be released from the vessels. And when the environment is too much cold, the vessels get shortened in the width, and which result in less loss of heat from the veins, and thus prevent body from the cold. It is the first defense line of the skin prevents infection from infection like bacterial infection. The skin also prevents the inner organs of the body directly from the outer environment. The function of skin also involves hydration, prevents hydration, like loss of water directly from the body. The epidermis is the outermost layer of skin. It is the first line of defense. The next is dermis. Dermis is the second layer of skin, which includes hair follicle, sebaceous gland and vessels. The sebaceous gland produce sebum and oil which act as antibacterial or antibiotic. The hair on the skin prevents body temperature. The dermis also has sweat glands. The sweat gland is present in the body because it produces sweat. The sweat helps in regulating body temperature. It regulates body temperature by widening or shrinking of the blood vessels or veins in the dermis layer. Next is hair. Hairs are present on the different surface of the body, such as heads or genitals, and it can be present in the large amount as well as in less amount, like the hands and legs contains less amount of hair, whereas head consists of more quantity or more amount of hairs, and they are thick from the other parts. The role of the hair in the body is to prevent to prevent the shock, external shock to the head, and also it stimulates the body temperature and homeostasis, and also prevent homeostasis. It also acts as a covering, protective covering to prevent head or brain from the outer shock or injury. Next is nail. Nail consists of hard dead keratin. It is the hard keratin which is made up of dead cells. The nails grow outer side of the edge. Nails are thick and wide of toe as compared to fingernails. They are made up of dead cells which contains keratin. As the inner matrix of nail produces the keratin, the dead keratin is pushed forward and thus results in the growth of the nail. Next we will see the process of repairing of skin. When the skin get injured, it heals in 3 steps, that is clotting, plugging and scabbing. In clotting, as the injury takes place, the cells get ruptured and the internal content of the cell sprout out from the body. Clotting is the phase in which the fibroblast gets gathered and gets gathered around the cut of the skin, which prevent loss of blood from the body. Next is plugging. The fibroblast helps to prevent the loss of blood by plugging the clot. And next is scabbing. Scabbing is the process in which the dead cells get detached from the body, which in the form of which are in the form of hard cells called scab. When the scab detached from the body, the scar remains on the skin, which may fade later in coming days. Skin also helps in ultraviolet UV rays defense. As we know that UV rays are harmful to our skin. It produces hormone called melanin. Melanin acts as a defense mechanism to UV rays. The production of melanin is at the lower layer of the epidermis. When the surface of the skin is in contact with UV rays, then there is the production of melatonin. Melatonin is the dark pigmented hormone which also prevents from the skin cancer. That's why the cases are found in foreign countries like UK. They contain more amount of they yearly produce more cases of cancers as compared to Asian countries, because the Asian country people have dark skin tone. They are prevented by the pigment called melanin. Sun also produces vitamin D Sunlight also has vitamin D, which is essential for the bones in our body, as our skin is precursor to vitamin D, which further produce hormone called calcitriol, which is needed for the healthy bones. As the deficiency of vitamin D may cause brittle bones, which weakens the bone of human skeleton. Hairs of eyebrows and eyelashes. Um, the interesting fact is that the eyelash or eyebrows prevent the entering of raindrops directly into the eye or sweat directly into the eye, and the function of eyelashes is to prevent foreign particles or dust from entering directly into the eye. So that is all about integumentary system. Hope you understood. Thank you.